Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hide a page using Squarespace. So first of all, of course, you'd like to go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps. So for me, I'm actually using Squarespace, Brave. Of course, you can use other browsers. Then all you need to do, just go to your browser, go to the URL type squarespace.com, hit the enter button, and that will actually be your home/main screen. So of course here, if you want, you can actually create your account if it's your first time using the website. Of course, if it's not your first time, just go choose one of the templates that you like from the template section here, and let's just you can get started with us. So for me, I already have that. I'm just going to click at my icon here, which it will take me into my dashboard. And here I will find the websites or the templates that I choose. I'm just going to click at one of them, go to websites, and this will actually takes me into this. And of course, here this website, I can edit on it by just clicking at edit here. Of course, I can edit whatever I want. I can even add sections, add blocks, edit these pictures, do whatever I want. So let me just go and click on done. So here, as we said, we would like to hide a page from navigation, of course, using Squarespace. So all we need to do, just go and click at pages here. And as you can see, I have here some pages. Let's ignore this blog. I have here like 3 pages. So let's say as an example, I want to hide one of them. So all I need to do, just go to one of them here. So let's say as an example, this new page, just click at the settings icon here. And all I need to do now,